What's up, everyone? It's James from Jeeping Adventure, and I have to show you something that just happened to me. It's too good not to share. It's not going to be a big video or anything, but this is just something you gotta see. It's hilarious. I can't believe it happened to me. I've never had this happen on any other vehicle before, but it just happened to me. So check this out. So I was driving down the road like normal, and it's raining here in Virginia, and my windshield wipers are on, and this is what happened to me. What in the fuck? That's right, my damn windshield wiper came off, like came unclipped. So I gotta get out of here and fix that real quick, but I just had to share this experience because that's just something weird. I've never had that happen in any vehicle I've ever driven before. So figured y'all would get a kick out of that. It happened to me, of course, on a rainy day. But yep, y'all have a good one. Check out my other videos and like and subscribe. And like always, have a great day.